Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee, and I'm excited that you're here today because I'm going to do a different type of video. Honestly, when I go on vacation, I don't put a lot of thought into my wardrobe. In fact, I pick things that are comfortable, don't plan out my attire for the week. If I have a fun event that I'm going to, I often do not plan for it properly. I don't put on a nice dress in my luggage. I don't put in cute shoes, and I definitely don't put in accessories. So this week, I thought I would put some thought into what I'm going to wear for my tropical vacation. I'm about a week away from going to Panama. So I'm getting ready to go to Panama, and I want to have some cute outfits. You've been seeing me thrift a couple of cute outfits here or there, but I haven't put together like the lookbook of what I plan to wear for my week in Panama. So today we're going to go through, plan out the days, and just start to think about what we're gonna wear. And we're gonna put together thrifted outfits specifically for my Panama vacation. So let's try it. Okay, so as I'm getting ready to do my packing list and what to do, I was just telling my friend Mercedes over here, y'all know Mercedes because Mercedes has been in quite a few videos of mine, right? And Mercedes sits right next to me when she comes to work. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry guys, I gotta tease her. Anyways, Mercedes is like the fashion queen, and she goes to Italy and she travels, and you put in a lot of work, right? Sometimes you even make your own outfits.
The gag is, I carry 3 suitcases.
Do you really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, I've had to since pare things down because I have a daughter.
Yeah.
And so now she has to take up half of one of my suitcases, but I overpack. And when I get to wherever I'm going, I still buy a bunch of stuff. So it never works for me. I plan and I overpack, and then I still buy stuff. So.
And she
but
makes
I look fabulous.
Yeah, you always do. I'm gonna post some travel pictures of Mercedes because really she does look on point. Like when I see her travel pictures, like it's almost like you're like an influencer when it comes to like when you travel. Like she makes it look like traveling is like so glamorous. But let me tell you, traveling's stressful, right?
Yes.
It's very stressful, especially when you have kids, but even just travel in general, like flying. I always feel like I'm exhausted after I fly. That's why I dress like a homeless person when I get on an airplane. I just really don't want to be that way anymore. I want to like look cute. So that's what I'm going to work on. Anyways, I needed to get Mercedes on camera. Look at her, she's hiding behind my thing. There we go.
I'm trying to eat my lunch.
I know, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll let her eat her lunch. Bye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my planner and I'm gonna take a look at the week. We don't necessarily have anything planned. My parents have a place there, so it's not like we have like big plans for our trip, but I do wanna like be prepared for like a cute night out, or even just to look a little bit more elevated during the day when I'm just lounging around. So if I look at my calendar, I basically have 8 days that I need to plan for, and that includes 2 travel days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down and kind of write out those days and then start plugging in my wardrobe for that. And you're going to help me do this. We need to put together something really cool. Oh my God.
I mean, I had to see it. Once Nick built it up to be this amazing thing, I had to take a look. It does look good.
Are you done, ma'am?
What?
Oh my gosh, you're still recording. Oh my goodness.
It's okay, you can view my video.
Are you recording?
I'm recording. Okay, so these are my days, and this is how I wrote it in my book. I'm recording because I'm doing a YouTube video. This is why you can't work on things outside of work, in work. I'm trying to sneak working on some other stuff that has nothing to do with my job. My coworkers do not want me to do it. Okay, if I'm being honest, this is where my list is so far. I need to go home. I'm gonna be I'm gonna go home, go through all my clothes, and then just start plugging in the items that I wanna wear. But I do know that on day 1 and day 8, those are travel days. So they need to be comfy, like sweatpant kind of outfits, but I wanna look a little bit more put together than what I normally am on travel days. So this is what we have so far. Now we gotta go through clothes. This is where my plan derailed. Of course, I waited till last minute. I kind of went back to my go-to, which was throw it all in the suitcase and get on the airplane. I tend to have flight anxiety, so I try to put things off to the very last minute, even though I was excited about my trip to Panama. But what you'll see here is that I'm rolling up the clothing that I do plan on taking with me, and I'm trying to make space in just my carry-on. I decided I did not want to bring a big suitcase with me, and there really was no reason because I knew I was just going to be hanging out with my parents. I wasn't planning to do anything very special. I brought a couple of dresses, but I mostly brought just casual hangout clothes. And yep, that was me 7 hours before the flight. I know, I'm crazy. Well, as you saw in that last clip, I was frantically packing, and that was actually 7 hours before our flight. So I didn't get a chance to kind of go over how I packed, but basically I packed 7 days worth of clothes in this little carry-on luggage. I am already starting to pick through it. I'll go through this more in depth in a little while, but I'm going to the beach right now. So I'll see you soon. We're going to be here in Panama for just 7 days. So we packed only a carry-on each. And so I wanted to kind of give you a hint and, not a hint, but a explanation of how I packed for a 7-day trip with just a carry-on, because I think that could be really helpful to people. This is actually a thrifted suitcase. So almost everything I have in here is thrifted as well. And I loved the idea that this had pockets, and it also has a place where you could put your laptop if you needed it. I did not bring my laptop with me. I brought 2 hats, the other one's around here somewhere, but they are flimsy enough where you could just smush them down, and then when you put them back on, they return to their shape. These are all my toiletries, and I really just pared down my toiletries into what I needed. And I don't even know if I'm gonna need this stuff, to be honest with you. I have not been wearing makeup. I'm here a couple of days already. But I do need my deodorant and obviously my moisturizer, but I haven't been wearing makeup, so I don't even know if I needed to bring that. I brought, let's see, 2 pairs of casual shorts. So this is one pair, and the other pair is in the wash, but I promise you everything fit in here, and they're green. So I brought 2 pairs of casual shorts to wear. I brought 2 t-shirts, just in case I needed to wear a t-shirt if it got a little bit chillier, but also because I wanted to work out while I was here. They have a gym on the property, so I did that, and I'm wearing 1 pair of my workout shorts because I just got back from working out. Here's the other pair. I brought 3 sports bras. So I have a black one, I have a pink one, and I'm wearing a white one right now. And my bathing suit, obviously. These are the bottoms. I brought 2 bottoms. I brought a bikini bottom and a skirt bottom. And I've been wearing the skirt bottom. I love it. And then when it comes to other clothes, I brought this dress that I thrifted just recently in a video. And I think I'm gonna wear that today. So I'm gonna set that aside. This is another dress I thrifted in a recent video. And we're not going anywhere fancy today, so I think I'm just gonna leave this here. A tank top, which still with tags. And this is another dress that I thrifted recently. And what else is this? Oh, this is a shirt I recently thrifted, all in recent videos, so you can see what I thrifted. And then a waffle kind of knit top, long sleeve, just in case I wanted to warm myself up at night because it's a little breezy. And I brought a slip to go with this white dress because it's kind of see-through. But frankly, I could just wear some shorts and a sports bra, and I would be good to go. One thing I noticed that in like tropical destinations, people really don't wear a lot of clothes. So you don't need to bring a lot of clothes, and you don't need to bring a lot of dressy clothes either. morning from Panama. It is another beautiful day here. Enjoying the sunshine, the breeze, the beach, of course, the view. And it's gonna be a great day. I'm so excited. We are at a fonda. Look how delicious it looks. Me and my dad having a nice meal. Say that again, Dad?
Bueno.
That's right. This looks really good. Oh, my girl.
Hey guys, we are in Panama and we are going out to dinner tonight.
That's right.
Yes, we are. We're getting our dinner on. Also, look at my bag.
Doesn't she look cute? Yes. Finally, a limonada de coco. Yee. Hi, Dad.
Hey, you see that?
There we go. Looks delicious. It's okay. One, go. Go. Hey. Dad, cheers. Looking back on the footage and pictures that I took from vacation, I feel like I could have done a better job documenting my experience and wearing my clothes, but I hope that you get the gist of what I did on my vacation. And I ended up not even wearing all of the clothes that I packed. I didn't wear the long sleeve yellow waffle knit top. I didn't wear the button down top that I brought with me. I ended up leaving the red dress that I thrifted a couple of weeks ago back behind. So I guess the moral of the story is just pack light and enjoy your time. You're not on a fashion show. You're just there for having a good time. So if you like this video, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. It really helps out this channel. I really want to grow it this year. I'd like to give you more vlogs. I'd like to give you more interesting content. And the best way you can show your appreciation is by hitting that like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.